Hello everyone, how are you? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hello to all of you. So let's talking about that. Today topic is Chakra Asana called wheel pose. Let's start with the pranayam. Keep the Padmasana and hold position Gyan Mudra, Pranayam Mudra. Taking the deep breath, inhale. Exhale, slowly release your breath. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Come back slowly. So, let's start with doing a wheel pose. I am saying you firstly technique of a chakrasana, methods, tricks, easy way how to do wheel pose. Okay, so let's start with the front view. You can lie on your back, both legs, fold on your thighs, back butts, and fold your arm into your shoulder side. Open your arm only gap of a shoulder width. Okay, then lift your weight slowly. This type, yes, and doing a breathing slowly as much as your body. You can hold this asana wheel pose 2 minutes daily. Its holding time 2 minutes maximum, as much as your body and as your wish. Okay, you can doing a purna wheel pose, full wheel pose. You can fold your arms and lift your weight on your elbows. Okay, then touch your back side of a toes. Get back normally. Then now I am doing a back side of a wheel pose. Now I am showing a shoulder side view. You can fold your palms this type, full shoulder. Okay, your arms, bend your both legs on your thighs. Your arms gap between two shoulder line. Okay, then slowly take a deep breath and lift your hip on up. This type, slowly take a breath and goes up. Then next doing is, you can closer than your feet, touch in hands. Okay, go close slowly. Then now you can more close and your forehead touch in the ground and fold your both elbows, and this type you can hold the full body weight of a wheel pose. Okay, then get back normally, slowly, and take a few seconds rest in which you tired. Okay, bring hand and feet as near together as possible. Fingers of the hands should point towards feet. Raise the trunk and hip simultaneously without jerks. Get up and doing a side view of a wheel pose. Okay, lie down on back slowly. Straight your both legs. Fold your arms into your shoulder side. Fold your both feet. And now you can adjust your feet and your hands into one line. It is the very important. Okay, don't tilt on body. This type you can doing wheel pose. Then now you can closer than on your feet. Now goes to your feet side. I'm showing in video. If any beginners watch my video, they can doing a yogasana, yoga guru supervision. Okay, doing this type. And now you can touch forehead on the floor and fold your both elbows and touch your feet. This type. Okay, move little gap. You can touch your feet. Get back normal position. Okay, then take a rest of a few seconds. Then get up and doing second side. Lie down on back. Both hand goes back on your shoulder side. Fold your arms. Fold your both legs on your thighs. Lift the weight slowly. Inhale, exhale. This type. This is the called a wheel pose. Now I am saying you benefits of a wheel pose, Chakra Asana. You can doing this type. Okay, more closer. Wheel pose benefits strength, spinal cord, neck, throat, arms and joints, conducive to elasticity and health of vertebral column, help in physical growth, increase height, benefit of a full body, increase hunger, stomach diseases remove, back should be straight, increase height. You can doing a wheel pose. Then after that you can doing a savasana. Take a rest, get back slowly. We can doing a pranayama because complete chakrasana wheel pose. I'm saying you all techniques, easy way tricks, benefits, techniques and methods. Okay, now take a position of padmasana and now take a position of a Gyan Mudra, Pranayam Mudra. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Get back. Now we are chanting a mantra. Om. Inhale. Get back. Rub your both hands on your palms. Then you feel heat touch your face. It is the wheel pose I can saying. Thanks for watching my videos. Subscribe my channel, like my video, share my video, comment on my video. Thanks for watching my videos. Hello to everyone. Keep healthy, keep growing. Thanks for watching my videos.